Here's my last update on Hurricane Irma. We didn't get really damaged. We had some crazy ass winds. I kind of fell asleep at like 2 o'clock or so, or 1 o'clock, I don't even remember. My brother was still up, and he said, well, he asked me how can I sleep in this, because supposedly almost the house fell apart. But I guess the core of the storm went close by us. We didn't get flooded at all. There's some pipes laying around and stuff. My dock got a little bit, but that thing was broken before already, so jet ski's still here. The palm trees, one faced a little bit. Washer dry is still here. Then my wires from my electric pole, but that's still up. I had it tied on pretty good. Oh shit, I guess I got some lattice work to do here. I'd ripped pretty good. The neighbor's house is all good. This guy's house over there ripped the roof and the back off. Got it his bathroom so the wind. Got a little water in the middle of the street. All our cars and everything are still parked over there. Seem to be fine. Boat is fine. The trees are all still standing. We still got a lot of wind here, but the storm is gone. We were hit pretty hard, but not that hard. We're out of power. So we were the last ones in Hudson who had power. They just redid our poles because this year we had a fire on Old Dixie Highway, and they burned out all the poles down, so I'm pretty sure that's why we were good here. That's my buddy's house over there. Everything good was that. I already checked on it. The antenna, I think a piece fell off, but I'm not sure. Andy's all good here.